How to create a YouTube channel for beginners, step by step. You type in your name, last name, type in your date of birth, and then click next. Create a Gmail account that you want to use. Use a strong password. Type in the password again, and then click next. You have to confirm that you're not a robot by including your phone number. After confirming your phone number, Google will send you a code, and then you will use the code and apply it on the Gmail account that you've just created, and then that's it, your account will be created. But if you already have an account, all you just need to do is to proceed to this place. You sign in your email address, and then you put in your password.
Hello everyone, my name is Justin John. On this channel, we are dedicated in helping you excel on YouTube, whether it's practical tips, creative ideas, insightful analysis, we've got it covered. Join our community of creative creators committed to success. Hit the subscribe button and let's make your channel stand out. As a new creator on YouTube, people don't know who you are yet. You're not a Hollywood star, a celebrity, or a famous YouTuber like Mr. Beast. People don't know who you are. For people to know who you are, you have to optimize your YouTube channel. How do you do that? You do that by using a keyword that is related to your niche. So when people search on YouTube or Google, they can easily find you. Let's use this channel as a case study before we go into practical. Houston World Travel.
Houston is the name of a person, and also Houston is the name of a city, a place. Houston is also a keyword. So when you search for the word Houston, this channel will come up. Let's take a look at the channel. Now, seeing this channel, you can easily relate and identify what this channel is all about. From the name of the channel, Houston World Travel, to the channel banner, you can be able to know that this channel is all about travel. You can see it from the banner there, everything is stated there. From the channel about, you can see the description, and then also from the mission, you can see, looking at it, you'll be able to tell and understand exactly what the channel represents. That this channel is about traveling.
Now that you have the idea on how to optimize your channel as a creator, let's go into practical and design our YouTube channel.
On your YouTube home, click Customize Channel, and then it will take you to the studio. You click Continue. So you will see the Customize Channel there. You scroll through and then go to Basic Info. Under the description, you include the description of your channel, what your channel is all about. You just take your time and include things that has to do with your channel. So when someone goes into your channel and then click the about, they can be able to tell and find out more information about you. Choose a name on YouTube for your YouTube handle. Sometimes the name might be taken by another YouTuber, so you have to keep searching and trying different names until once it shows green, then you're good to go. Time you choose your name, the YouTube name that you want to use. After choosing your name, then you click publish, and then it will save whatever thing that we've done so far. As you can see, we are able to achieve creating our YouTube channel name, channel description, about, and then the channel mission. Now let's head to the YouTube settings, and then we'll click general. Under the general, you'll see all about the currency that you want to be receiving once your channel is monetized. You will choose a currency that you want to be that you want YouTube to be paying you, depending on the country where you are. So once you're done with that, you go to the channel basic info, you'll be able to set your country. For me, I'm in Malaysia, so I click Malaysia as the country of residence. Once you're done with that, then you go to the keywords. By including keywords that are related to your niche, you type them in. By doing so, you are optimizing your channel so that once they search for those keywords that are related to your niche, your channel will come up, will be among the ones that will come up. So take your time and include all the keywords that are related to your niche and save. Click save. Then you go to settings, click upload defaults. Under upload default, you click advanced setting, and then you click category. So the category of my channel is under education. If yours has a different category, so you click on what category your channel falls on. Then you go to the language that you're using. You click, I'm using British English. Once you're done with that, you click save, and then include the profile photo, just like this. Once you're done with that, then you go to banner image. So now let's set up our banner image. We have to use Canva. You either download Canva on your mobile phone or you're using the laptop. You can just go straight to canva.com. So now we'll type YouTube banner, and then we can see different kinds of YouTube banner. We'll choose the one we need. Once we choose the one that we need, we'll create it to our own taste, how we want it to look on our channel. So when people come to our channel, when they see our banner will tell more about our channel. So we include whatever thing we need to include. Just change it, take your time, recreate it. You can be able to use those features, design it properly. Once you're done editing your YouTube banner, and then download. So it will be saved on your laptop or your mobile device. And then we'll go back to our YouTube channel, and then we upload it. So upload, and then we can be able to upload our YouTube banner. As you can see here, this is for mobile viewing, this one is for the laptop viewing, and this one is for the TV viewing. So you can see how it will show on different screen that you're using it. This is mobile. So once we're done with that, we'll click publish. We can actually change it or remove it anytime if we want to. Once you're done, you just click publish, and then you'll be able to see what we've achieved so far, that we were able to create our YouTube banner. So looking at our YouTube banner, people can easily tell and identify what our channel is all about.
This channel is more focused on practical content. As I'm teaching, we are all learning at the same time. Don't forget to join me on my next video. I'll be teaching you step by step on how to upload your first video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe.